Spirits of heaven and earth, bless this place. Welcome to Sumeru. It's the beasts that make this place. For what you've fulfilled throughout the past, I hereby bestow blessings upon your life into the new year. May the blessing carry you through the new year. I know you have been working very hard. Sumeru welcomes all but malicious minds. I see your merit. Blessed be the true-hearted and diligent ones. It is time that the world awakens. Everyone is anticipating our blissful arrival. There will be consequences to your every word and action. Death and rebirth are elements of nature. I do not attend to Sumeru affairs unless I have to. The place should be run by those beings themselves. I miss the fragrant wines back in Sumeru. Sumeru is caving in. My people. Your doing does not warrant a blessing from me. You are undeserving. Insignificant. Move! Let fly! Stars aligned! Auspicious clouds! Dosmila sugbi shuzenen tachoren. Zambaning sochong gavonya! Gavunya! Bra! Ra! Ka! Ah!